Well, Mark seen our YouTube video yesterday. There he is. As soon as he was here before we opened, he was gagging for an extra 1 brake horsepower to beat the record.
Everyone needs that extra one.
Everyone needs that extra 1 brake horsepower. So that's the plan for this very wet Saturday morning. Gutted, weren't you?
Exclamation mark.
Yeah. Gutted, weren't you?
No, I wasn't gutted. It was nice to see. It was really nice to see another FN2 making really good power on a very accurate dyno.
Oh, I like that. Well said. Well said.
Well, we know it's accurate, don't we? Because, like I keep saying to people, I've had to have this horsepower actually validated before it can go on its racing series. So, you know, if I come here and it made, in its first incarnation, it made 230 brake. And
yeah.
I took it to Mallory Performance and it made 229.9.
Yeah.
I know it's an accurate dyno and therefore quite happy.
So every time we make an improvement, you can see an improvement.
Yeah, exactly.
Or, with what you're doing today, if it makes less power, it makes less power.
If it makes less power, we take it off and we say, okay.
What are we doing today?
We are replacing the throttle body. So we're moving from the FN2 throttle body to the FD2 throttle body.
Yeah.
We've moved the motor over, well, I've moved the motor over already.
Yeah.
So hopefully it's just a case of a quick map tweak by Rich and we make 270 brake horsepower.
Okay, 242 is the target.
Say it again. Life was pretty fast.